Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dal Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 50, we are going to learn the operator overloading. And what is operator overloading? For this thing, we are going to create a new file of Ruby programming. Right click on it and create a new file, operator overloading. This is another concept of the object-oriented programming. So let's start and create a box class here, and we create attribute accessors and define uh, three variables: height, width, and depth. We created the three variables, and now we are creating an initialize method as a constructor and assign the values h for height, width, and depth, and then assign these values to height is equal to h, width is equal to w, and depth is equal to d. We already did this thing a lot of time, and now we are creating a class special box, for example, and this special box was inherited from the box class. Let's suppose, and if we are creating box 1 is equal to special box dot new and assign some values 7 and 9 here. Similarly, we are going to create another special box and provide values 2 and 7, something like this. Now if we want to add these two boxes and find and get the result, then what we can do, for example, if you want to create a new box and you want to perform the same method just like addition method here, then what will be the output? In this case, the plus sign is an operator, and this operator is overloading with another method. So this concept is called the operator overloading, because this is the normal function. If you will use 4 plus 5, then this method was automatically created, and it was we will run this program, then you can see that this is the concept was automatically created. But since this method plus was not overloading, that's why it was not able to add height, width, and depth of the one box to the other. So if we will create such a method by which you can add these things, then this will be called the operator overloading here. Okay, now we will create a method by which we can make operator overloading. Just like plus sign is here, and I will use o2 for the object 2, and in this I am going to create a variable total height. So first of all, I am going to add the heights, and then we will check it out the result here. And the first object will be the self and dot height, and the second object after the operator will be object 2 dot height. And now we will return this value, and total height is here. So you can see that if I will use to display box 3, and then it will right click on it and then run this program, then you can see very clearly that 5 and 10 are adding successfully here. So if we want to continue, total width is equal to self dot width plus o2 dot width. Similarly, sorry, this will be the at the rate sign. Total depth is equal to self dot depth plus o2 dot depth is here, and now we will return something like this: the total height of the boxes, and make it total boxes. I think we will use quotes, and here you can see quotes is here, and similarly we will just copy to save the time the total width of the boxes and total width is here, total depth of the boxes, total depth. Now run this program. Okay, we have some spelling mistake is here. The depth, depth something. Okay, sorry, we have spelling mistake here. Depth. Okay, now we will run this program once again. Okay, now you can see the result. Okay, we have something missing because we have 15.9 and we have not total. Okay, we have this one mistake. Now we run this program. So you can see that what total once again spelling is sorry for that. Total depth, when you are writing the code, then such kind of mistakes are normal. Run it. So we have a result. So if you can see that we are providing and adding the two boxes 5 or 10, it will be the answers 10 to 15, and then 7 plus 2 will be the 9, and the 9 and 7 will be the 16. So in this way you can create your operator by which is performing your own functions, and you can create your own custom objects will be adding, deleting, subtracting, and multiplication. This will be concept is called the operator overloading. Similarly, if you want to create the method something like minus something like this and o2, and you can perform the same thing. Just copy it, and instead of using the plus sign, if I will go for the minus one, then this is the another example of the operator overloading. And similarly, if you want to create a box 4 something like this is equal to box 1 minus box 2, and then if you will display box 4, then you can see that it will subtract the data from one box to the other box, just like this, minus 5, 5 and 2. So this is very informative for you to understand that such kind of thing. For example, if I change the values 25, 47 and 19, and now I will run this program once again, then you can see that the result was according to our wish, and we are using minus and plus same as we are performing to add the numbers here. We are performing to add the three boxes, height, width and depth. So this is known as the operator overloading. So this is one of the major and useful concept of the object oriented programming, and I hope that you can fully understand that what is the meaning of the operator overloading in the object oriented programming. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos, and till now it will be end, and in the next video we will discuss this with the other operators overloading. Thank you very much. Allah. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, if you want to view the code once again, then you can similarly watch it.